is definitely a night to remember. Can't believe he started beating the hoes up. What the fuck? Boxing the baddies is crazy. It's definitely not a part of the script. Bro's definitely drowning in a chocolate river. But at least it seems like they're all having fun. I thought he was just tweaking at first. The alcohol turned him into prime Chris Brown. He's unstoppable. He said, hey, my boy's cool, unless you're a female.